Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to turn around and radius tips in Illustrator. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you go ahead and navigate to your toolbar right here. Go ahead and select your rectangle tool. I will select your rectangle tool. Go ahead and draw your rectangle shape like this. Now, this features here is available in Illustrator 2025 or 2026. So if you are using Illustrator lower than 2025, you are likely not going to see these features. Okay. Now, if you are using Illustrator 2025 or 2026, you should be able to see the features of radial corner and radial corner types. So what you need to do here is to click on this rectangular property of the corner, and you are here. Next thing you want to do here is to give a certain figure. So like for instance, I'm going to put it about 0.75 right here. Now we can change the radius corner of each of these shape right here. How do you do that? What you need to do here is to go ahead and click on this particular point right here. So when you click on this point right here, you have many options. You have these options here. So once you click on it, it's going to be reflected and it's going to affect the particular area you choose. Okay. Then if you want to use another option for this, go ahead and click on here. And then let's say, for instance, I want this option for this. So you can go on and increase. The more you increase, the more you see the effect in that particular object. So we can also make sure we change to different styles. So we can click on this one right here also. And we can go ahead and change to this part. Then we can go ahead and click on this one right here and adjust. And then we can click on this one here also. We can change these particular options to this also. So we can go on and adjust the radius based on exactly what we need to achieve. It's that simple. So for more tutorial tips and tricks about how to use Illustrator like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.